All right, and we're back and we're looking at AMC. Before we do that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. All right, let's go. All right, so I'm just going to come from scratch and look at it in the bigger time frame. I was kind of trying to look at some targets. So, I see this pattern that's kind of formed right here in the huge time frame. So, if you draw a trend line going down from the tops right here, with this top, and this top, and then you get the bottoms. I would start maybe from the middle, work my way out, something like that. So honestly, this looks like a really good pattern. I really like these falling wedges. So I think the main thing that we're looking for on this big time frame is for us to break this weekly moving average, this weekly 180 moving average. And I kind of talked about that in my last video, but I'll take a deeper dive here in a second. In general, I would say this is the all-time high, which could be a target to shoot for. The other one would be right here at this other huge pump top. So this one is about $21.41, and the other one is about $35.60. I'm not really sure. I have like one share on this. The one thing that I do like is that we were in this super downtrend, and now we got this support at the bottom. And now that has continued up. Let's take a look. We're on the weekly time frame. Let's go to the daily right now. All right, so now we have had that uptrend that I was talking about in my last video. I was wondering if we were going to come down and test it again. A lot of things were looking bearish, and even if you look at this, it looks like we're kind of unsure. We're getting some red candles right here. The green candle is a little low. All right, so let's go deeper dive. On yesterday's video, I had a downtrend going like this because on the hourly we had broke below this moving average, and we had came up and got rejected by it. So that was kind of one of the reasons I was bearish in the short term. But now in the video I said, look for us to break this trend line and I will change my sentiment. So we broke that trend line. The one thing I do wanted to talk about is a lot of people had mentioned in the comments about a cup and handle, and I'd kind of missed that. If you look right here, here's the cup, and it looks like we are forming the handle, but at the point of my video, I don't think we had really formed a handle yet. I would have probably still missed it, but in the cup and handle, you get this cup shape and then a downward channel, which goes something like this, which I would think would still end up touching this trend line. I think I still might have overshot the target, maybe around like 750, or well, I don't really know. I think that we have to get this kind of downward channel to get this cup and handle pattern that you guys are talking about though. But after, let's say it does form this pattern going down, I would say the target to look for in a cup and handle would be you get the top of the cup, and then you target from the bottom of the cup to the top of the cup and bring that to the breakout, which would be somewhere after the break. It breaks out this line right here, and you'll get something like that, which looks like a around 62% trade. I'm still not sure about this cup and handle pattern though. I mean, the cup definitely looks like a cup, but I would say that to form the handle, it needs to go down a little bit more, something like that. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you guys like the video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you want to keep up to date. But other than that, you guys have a great day.